Hey guys, what's up? I got another. This episode down. Oops. Lootcrate. Dun dun dun. Yeah. And I'm gonna open it mostly right now. I feel a lot of. I'm doing this one hand mostly. I don't really have it set up. Put my phone. Done. Oh yes. Oh. Well, I'll do the t-shirt last. So I'll put that right here. Wait, put it up. Archer. Classic Archer figure. Which I watched the show once or twice. I don't really watch it that much. It's not really like my kind of thing, really. Well, goes a paper cut. That did not feel as good. Ooh. Sorry about that. Actual Archer. Figurine, kind of. My eye hurts a lot. Damn. You. So, like, yeah. I am failing at my job right now. Yep. And then the Archer drinking some beer. I think that's Archer at least. I could be wrong, but I'm sure I think that is him. Just drinking some beer. Which is not that bad in my opinion. It's pretty good. It says Archer right there. You probably can't see that. So next up, oops. These ones like this is a wallet. Probably is. I already have a wallet. Damn. It always broke. Opening it up already broke it. There's a wallet. Not that bad of a wallet too though. While opening it, I kind of whipped it right there. But yeah, it's that's a department. If you guys watch that show, there's always money in the banana stand. That's why there's a banana on this. It's catchy, actually. It's actually pretty catchy. If I ever lose my wallet, I'll use this, probably. Not that bad. What is this? Oh, this is a DK, bro. That's awesome. The Punisher DK. It says right there. Dude, that's awesome. Ages 14 and up. That's awesome. Ooh, I got my own poster. I got like a mini poster for Deadpool 2. May 18th. Now, that's awesome. I'm gonna frame this. I'm not even saying I'm gonna frame that. That's the pen for this month. It's nice. And we have the paper that tells you everything that's in this Lootcrate. And don't forget the one and last thing here. This is a long. Wow, dude. It's not long sleeves. This is really heavy. Oh, is this no sleeves? Or am I losing it? No, it's sleeves. I was just not opening it from the right side. I'm confusing myself. Oh no. What's happening to my brain? Deadpool. I like this. I like that. It's gonna go in my collection of shorts I got from all the Lootcrates, mostly. But yeah, that's mostly everything. Looks cool. I wanted to go see Deadpool. But I'll tell the complete truth right now. I wanted to go see Deadpool, but this really mean manager who worked at the mall, who worked at the movie theater in the mall, wouldn't let me see it. She had me confused with someone else. Like, seriously? She had me confused with someone else, saying that I went there and told a whole bunch of people in line that what happened at the end of Infinity War, which, if anyone knows me who's watching these videos, I hate spoilers. So why would I tell other people spoilers to the movie? That's not me. That's one check. Second check was, when I left the Infinity War, there was no one in line. And I was with my friends. There was no one in line when we left. Also, she said it was on Friday, the opening night. We went on Sunday. So... And there wasn't that many people in the fucking movie theater watching the movie either. Just so you know. Also, she said I went out the back door. I think there is a back door, but I don't really know about it. Also, would I go out the back door? That's how I know she is retarded. And I didn't get to see the movie I've been waiting for such a long time since Deadpool 1 came out. Now I couldn't see Deadpool 2 because of her. Because she got me confused with someone else. But, so cool. Just a little pissed off now. I hope she gets fired. Because that's some bullshit. But, this makes up for it. Right here. This, right here, that makes up for it. Look at that sexy body. Oh, that makes up for it. I love it. Kind of makes up for it. I will still love to see the fucking movie, but, you know. Whatever. Stupid fucking manager. She shouldn't even be a manager, I guess. She can't tell people apart from each other, so... I know I'm fat, but you go and confuse every fucking fat guy to be the fucking same person? Like, come on. We don't all look the same half the time. I'm not that fat, too. Come on. Also, she wouldn't let me see the cameras, the video, either, for proof. She just said it happened and that they got it on camera. I'm like, alright, let me see the cameras. Even my friends were helping me out. Alright, show us the proof. She's like, I don't need to. I'm like, you're not gonna let me see the movie because you think that the person who told a whole bunch of people in line what happened at the end of the Infinity War and they left, so you didn't get your money, pretty much, which kind of screw bad version, right? Like, I know you're getting paid, but Come on. I don't know, it's pissing me off a lot right now. I wanted to go see that movie, and she had me confused with someone else, which pisses me off. I'm one of kind. Yeah, but that's all for this Lootcrate. I hope you guys liked it. I sure did. And maybe soon I'll be able to watch Deadpool 2. Even if I have to buy it in DVD. That goddamn bitch. Like, that's the only swear word I'm gonna say, pretty much. But she is a bitch, alright? I don't care what anyone says. I fucking hate it a lot. And none of my friends could see it either. That mostly they could. Only two of them though. There was 4 of us. Only 2 of them could see the movie. I couldn't see it because they banned me for the movie. For that one movie, she said, but I really doubt that. Also, that's bullshit. I don't think they can do that. I don't know if they can or not, but I don't know if they can do that. Also, my friend's girlfriend couldn't see the movie either. I'm just like, because she's too young. Then we had my friend's mom come in, and she still couldn't see the movie. Like, what? You we have an adult over 21 saying that go and buy the ticket for her, and nah, she can't see the movie. She's too young. No. I remember my mom had Skype with one manager. He was a cool dude, laid back. I loved him. He was old, like in the old, like kind of like my mom, like 40 kind of thing. But he was cool. And me and my friends, all of us was like 18, pretty much. The other 2 were kind of younger than 18, like 17 to 16. But he said we couldn't see it. So I Skyped my mom. Well, video chatted her, FaceTime. And he said that works. I gave him the phone, and he talked to my mom. And he let us buy the tickets and go watch the movie. Now, that's a laid-back dude. Yeah, when DJ's mom comes into the store, the movie theater, tries to buy the ticket for DJ's girlfriend, she can't? Can we get the other manager back? Because he would recognize me and know that I'm a cool dude. And I would know he's a cool dude. But seriously? I don't like her. And I hope she's gone. This vid is getting to it. Hope you enjoy. I'm sorry. Keep talking, just videos, you know. Gotta get my anger out sometimes. I hope you guys enjoyed. I sure did. I love this. I think this is my last one though. So part 3 and 4 of The Crew. I'm hoping to get that out probably tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Or today, I don't know. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that little like button. And don't forget to subscribe.